This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Jack Brundige. This all-brick ranch home is in a quiet neighborhood that is convenient to everything. Well-maintained home with no steps, has cathedral ceiling in the great room and an open floor plan. Updates include tile flooring in kitchen and bathrooms, new carpet in all 3 bedrooms and gas stovetop with built-in microwave. Level lot with fenced-in backyard and patio with gas line for grill is perfect for enjoying the outdoors. For more information, review the details below or contact Jack Brundige at 865-693-1111.